got the resistor. I think that's how you say it, resistor. But anyways, the part number is RU61 standard O'Reilly's or AutoZone, wherever you want for the kids at. That'd be the tools you'd be needing. I got this little pry bar, flat bar, and this little pick. Of course, you'll be using the 7mm and extensions and whatnot. Anyways, and everything's behind here. Anyways, when you change this to like off, low, all the way to high, only high works. These right here don't work. Here, I'll show you. Alright, it's on, obviously. See, here's high, and here high. Go back to, see, nothing. Go back to high, it works. These three things here don't work. So anyways, to change this, turn the pickup back off. You gotta take the glove box off. See if I can do it one-handed. I'll be damned I can. Everything's gonna fall out. Everything's gonna fall out here, huh? Anyways, you can take that side off, and there we go. Set it over there. Anyways, up in here, what the hell's all this? Huh. It's hard to see, there's that damn sunlight, isn't it? Alrighty, on top of your deal. I don't know if you can see there where my hand's at up in here. Let's zoom in just a little. No, we can't. There, right there. There it is. Right there. That's what we're going to take out. Well, a little update. I don't know if you can see it right there or not, but so far it's a pain in the ass. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, everything is in there. You can see, hopefully you can see in there. Everything's installed. Now it's the moment of the truth. Turn the key over. You ain't got to start it. All we're going to listen to is a fan from low to high. Go to low. High is working. And I guess that would be like a one notch down from high. Halfway. Low. Off. Low. Heck yeah. It's a win-win, brother.